How to find recovery phrase on MetaMask. Lost track of your MetaMask recovery phrase? Here's how to find it safely. So, your secret recovery phrase is the key to your wallet. Without it, you can't restore access. So, if you're using desktop, go ahead and open the MetaMask web extension on your browser. So, currently, I am using Google Chrome. So simply click on this puzzle icon at the top right of your screen, and then under that you'll find MetaMask. And then from here, wait for this to load, and then click on this burger icon at the top right, and then select Settings. And then under Settings, look for Security and Privacy and click on it. And then scroll down and click on Manage Recovery Methods under Security. So under this, you'd find the secret recovery phrases. So click on this show 3 accounts. And here you need to enter your password to continue checking for your secret recovery phrase. And then click on next. And then after that, hold on to the section to reveal your secret recovery phrase. And that is how you can find your recovery phrase on MetaMask.